Hey now, it's Witt. Welcome back to the channel. Today, a little guilty pleasure watch. This is one of these cheapies that I got from the AliExpress sale this past November, the 11/11 sale. And come on now, hear me out. I've seen you at Walmart cruising the 888 watches section. Yeah, that's right. You paused there a little too long sometimes, and look at this one. Actually, that one does look kind of nice right there, right? Anyway, so that's what today's watch is. Figure my channel description says $10 to $500, so let's see what a watch on the very end of the spectrum looks like. Ho ho! All right, so look at that. You got a international guarantee. Oh wow! There's no way you're sending this back if it doesn't work. Comes in a little bag with their branding on it. NAVIFORCE for dream. Yeah, I'm wondering if this is a dream, and I'll wake up at some point. Wow, man, look at that. Oh, it doesn't have the model number on there, but or the price. But wow, not bad branding and stuff for a watch of this price, right? They went all out. Look at that. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Right, so first, this said it was a genuine leather band. I doubt it, but it's cheap, but it's nice and thick. It's pliable. I think this is man-made leather. But you can see it's got a good texture to it. Very, very cheap strap, but you would expect it on this price level of a watch anyway, right? And let's see, do we have it? No, we're all clear on the plastic. They didn't just got this on the back. Quality control 07, check this one out. And ASO2 did something with it too. All right, let's get this off so we can read it. Here we go. Okay, so we've got NAVIFORCE for dream. NF9063M, maybe that's the reference number. Professional waterproof, I doubt it. It says 30 meters. And stainless steel bezel. Well, that's interesting, because actually the caseback looks like it's stainless steel compared to this. I'm sure is alloy with some kind of coating. The bezel looks no different than the case side. So I think that's a printing engraving accident. I think it means it's a stainless steel back instead of bezel, but unique design, that's for sure. And 30 meters water resistant. But let's take a look. Taken away, because no protector, and not a screw down crown. So the first date should be, yeah, there's day of the week. See the I can zoom in for you here. See, the red dot is depicting the day of the week. And there's the date. That's a pretty crisp looking date window. Look at that. I kind of like that. Those numbers are nice and bold. Okay, so here you go. Watch the day of the week. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's pretty neat. Good looking hands, nice numbers. See if I can get you a macro shot for this dial. Looks like it could actually pass a small macro test. It says it's a mineral crystal. See, it's got a little beveled edge there on the edge of the bezel. I'm actually kind of surprised. Okay, so this watch was, I think, $12 and change on sale. And then, of course, I had a couple of coupons and this and that. I think I paid $11.73 for this watch. So this is one of those things where it's kind of a nice throw. You know, you're buying something else on AliExpress anyway. Yeah, throw it in. A little nice little surprise, right? A little cheapy watch. So maybe you want to do the same thing. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to find this exact watch from the seller that I bought it from. Let's see how the hands move now. Not too bad. Feels good. It's got kind of that slow Timex, you know, takes forever to go around. It's a decent looking handset too. I like that with the arrows, with the transparency. It's probably so you can still see the day of the week window. That's not bad. It doesn't obscure it too much, right? But I kind of like it. Let's see, let's put it there so we can keep our logo in the shot. And dare I say that it's kind of hitting some markers. Look at that second hand. It's a little crazy. This will make you not want to shop in the 888 section, huh? Spend a couple dollars more to get something a little better. So I did look. So this watch sells for about $23 on Amazon. I've seen it on eBay for about $45. So it's nowhere near the quality level of $45, you know, first impressions. 23, yeah, I'd say it's probably in that range. But why spend that much when you can get it for $11, $12, right? It did take about 5 weeks and change to get here. But again, it's one of those where you put it in your cart and you buy some other things from AliExpress, and this is just a happy surprise that shows up. But not bad. All right, so case diameter is 48. Yeah. It's a big boy. And your lug to lug is 54. Lug width is 24. And your case thickness is 12.6. All right, let's give it a try on. So I'm wearing, actually, this was a watch that I got in the same order. This was $19. So if you're not quite sold on this, or this is not your type, or you feel like that price point might just be a little too cheap for you, you can go up another few dollars and get this. This has surprisingly been a great watch. I got a link for this watch here, and I'll also leave AliExpress link in the description of this video for this one as well. So you'll see both watches in the description down below. So check that out. But this, like I said, surprisingly has been a great beater watch, and I enjoy this NATO strap, and I don't even do my trick that I showed you in a previous video of putting all the hardware down here on the bottom. It actually wears very comfortable as a double pass style. So who knew? Okay, there it is on my 8-inch wrist. So you can see for larger wrists, this sits very nicely. The numbers sounded kind of big, but that's got a good look to it for larger wrists. And see, I'm on the third hole from the end, and there's some room still to break in this leather or man-made leather band. It's got a cheap look to it, but it actually feels pretty comfortable and very pliable. I mean, I've got another real leather strap I can show you this on. So let me pause and I'll show you that. Okay, so this strap costs twice as much as this watch. But look at that. It tied it together pretty nice. It's a lighter color than the original too. This has got more of a reddish tint to it. So it actually matches the dial a lot better. This red kind of maybe matches some of that pop or whatever. But it's not a bad color, not a bad look. But yeah, there you go. So you can even dress up a $12 watch. All right, if you want to give it a more sporty look, here it is on rubber strap or silicone. So I went ahead and took the case back off, which, by the way, it's a screw-down case back, if I didn't mention that or you didn't see it when I was showing off the back. But check it out. It's got a Japanese quartz movement in it. Yeah, right there. This is a Seiko Epson VX43E and a Maxell battery. So this comes pretty well equipped for $12, huh? I'm got little surprises around every corner here. And here we are back on these supplied straps. So, and if I didn't point it out before, so it's got their logo engraved, stamped on the. I'm going to keep calling it leather because that's what they call it. But again, I doubt it is. And then they also have a signature on the buckle, and on the back side it says stainless steel. So, really, I mean, for $12. There's a little bit of value in this watch. I was kind of surprised. I didn't think it'd be much. I thought this was going to be a little throwaway video, but I think if I had to do over again, I would buy this in a black case because this is not trying to be stainless steel. I mean, you can tell that it's definitely not stainless steel. So I don't think the intention is to try and make it look like stainless steel. And by the way, this is a fixed bezel. It's just for looks. But I just think, much like this watch, that you can just get away with the alloy case in black a lot better than this. I mean, I'm more likely to wear this watch more often than this one, mainly for that reason. So I think if I had got this in black, where it looked like that, I might wear this more often. But man, $12. So like I said, I'll leave links in the description down below. And maybe it's something there where you kind of add to your shopping list as you're looking for other things on AliExpress. You know, get yourself a little treat, a little weekend warrior from NAVIFORCE. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've watched this long, your interest was piqued just like mine on this little $12 watch. So it's kind of fun, huh? We'll see you next time. I'm Witt with so many watches, so little time and money.